G'day, it's Rob here again. Well, this H160 is turning out to be a really handy little unit. And one thing that it's really good at is when you want to break a Loctite bond without heating everything up, you know, you just spot heating. And say you're working on motorbikes and you've got Loctited in Allen headed bolts, which you've often got. Be good for that because you can heat the bolt or the pin without heating all of the surrounding metal up unnecessarily. So we're going to just do this as a quick demo. So I'll turn her on. Put on a leather glove so I can pull it apart. I've got it clamped in the vise. There she goes. Oops, she was going. I had a problem with this initially where when it had been standing for a while, it's got a blockage up here where it went from the bubbler into the outlet hose, and there must have been a bit of rubbish in there. I just took the hose off and poked a wire through and cleaned it out, and been right ever since. So I think there was a little bit of plastic or something jammed in there, but it's about a 4mm hole, so it's quite big. But anyway, everything's good now. That was the only issue I've ever had with it. But so I'm just assuming that there was some rubbish from when they put it together in there. Okay, let's do this. I'll come in on it with the camera more. Make sure you get a glove with a hole in it so you can burn your finger. You know, guaranteed. But this will be good enough. I'll just have to be extra careful. Just use a pin punch. There she is. All done. Easy as that. So there we are. Broke the bond nicely. I've got to machine some of the back off. I left that too long, so that's why I had to pull it apart. So there you are, job done. It certainly works a lot better now I've got this correct bubbler mix in here. And it's a pretty spectacular weapon, really. It puts out a pretty feral flame. Have a look at it now. Whoa, that is pretty bloody good. Yep. There you go, guys. Great little toy to have in the workshop. It's pretty handy for small jobs. Okay, that's it. See you next time.